The Bullitt Centre stands as a statement of accomplishment in terms of sustainable design and exceeds the expectation of what a commercial building can be. Early assistant developers of the project considered its intentions to be impossible and too ambitious, but the aspirations of the development persisted towards the dream of achieving the most sustainable and environmentally conscious building. Now, however, the Bullitt Centre boasts a plethora of sustainable awards and achievements, such as being Living Building certified, and has set the stage for a new wave of cutting-edge green building design. The building lives and breathes within outskirting suburban Seattle, functioning like an organism which responds to and utilizes its environment, contrasted against its otherwise concrete surroundings. The building provides a productive and comfortable space for its occupants, whilst minimizing its ecological and carbon footprint. The six-story commercial project began occupation on the 23rd of April 2013. Costing approximately $32.5 million, the Bullitt Centre was built tenant-ready, meaning the fit-out was able to be tailored to match and connect with the rest of the building and integrated with the active building systems. The project team strived to deliver a building which achieved Living Building certification, which drove the focus for all of the aspects of design. This required the building to produce as much energy as it consumed in a year, capture rainfall and treat water on site, and meet rigorous standards for building materiality and indoor environment quality. In addition to this, the Bullitt Centre has been designed and constructed to meet a 250-year effective lifespan, almost 5 times longer than that of a typical building. The site has been intentionally chosen within a specific planning district of Seattle, away from the main city, which has restrictions on maximum allowable building height, ensuring that the building is not overshadowed from either existing or future buildings. The location is also nearby to low-carbon public transport options such as buses and light rail, which allows building occupants to reduce the need for driving cars to work. The Bullitt Centre is powered entirely via a massive 244 kilowatt, 575 panel solar photovoltaic array. This PV system allows the building to achieve net zero operational energy. However, Seattle is not known for its ample sunny weather, which challenged the design team. A larger solar capture area was required, resulting in special property boundary arrangements with local city council allowing for the sizable overhang. Intertwined building services and equipment have drastically reduced the energy demand of the building to roughly 1/3 of a comparable code-compliant building in Seattle. Heating and cooling of typical buildings can contribute to more than 1/3 of total energy demand. However, in the case of the Bullitt Centre, tempering the internal space contributes to only 3% of total energy use. This is mainly due to incorporating 26 geothermal wells which plunge refrigerant fluid to a depth of 120 meters into the ground, where thermal exchange is much more consistent. Heat is translated with the surrounding earth before the fluid is pumped back up into the building and circulated throughout to heat and cool internal spaces via underfloor radiant exchange. Coupling high-performance glazing with an adaptive shading system further reduces the demand on internal heating and cooling systems and hence energy demand. The shading system reacts to solar exposure throughout the day, minimizing internal solar heat gain without compromising natural daylight. The building has optimized the way it uses natural ventilation, with large operable windows which open and close as required. A night purge strategy is also included which cools the interior spaces as well as the exposed concrete slab, acting as a thermal capacitor, keeping the building cool throughout the following morning. By prioritizing function over form, architects ensured the Bullitt Centre lives within its setting and has effectively established a new benchmark in achievable, sustainable building design.